Marc, very nice to meet you. And I want to congratulations on your grand opening on this new facility. Today we have a couple of questions for you. First question is, could you please introduce the background and the main reasons for the launch of the new Helukabel factory in China?
Yeah, so Helukabel is present in China for more than 20 years. And we've seen in China and in Asia a very good growth in the past years, and that's why we just needed more capacity, and that was the strategic decision for us to invest here in Changzhou, to have here our new main facility for production and logistics for China and the Asian region.
Which leads to another question. What are the strategic significance and expected impacts of the new factory on Helukabel's development in China's market?
Increase of capacity. So of course we want to be closer to our customers. We want to be faster. I think everybody talks about China's speed, and of course we also want to be part of that and contribute to that. And that's why I think it's very important to be very active and local here in the market, and that's why we did the investment here.
Yeah, we're really happy to hear about your passions in China market. What unique advantages does Helukabel have in terms of technology and products innovation? Will the new factory adopt the latest technologies and the product processes?
Yeah, so here in the new factory we have the most modern machinery in our entire group. So it's really a state-of-the-art facility. So it's a very modern machine park, very new technologies, and also for our testing. So we have a special testing facility to test our cables in moving applications together with our drag chains. High temperatures up to 50 degrees or minus 30, and it's very harsh environments for moving and dynamic application.
Right, especially in the manufacturing environment, sometimes it's very harsh. Let's go on with the next question. What is the R&D focus for the new factory? Will there be any collaborations with local research institutions or universities to further advance Helukabel's technology?
Yeah, so of course we have our internal R&D team, but we just signed an agreement with the Haas University in Harbin, which is really the best university for cable production, and we are very proud that we have that exchange of ideas and know-how, and we are looking forward to that partnership. So we have here very dynamic markets, so we have a very flexible organization and team to adapt to that. So of course we want to tailor-made our products more and more to the local needs, and I think that's combined with the local manufacturing, with the local R&D team, I think we can really better serve the market, react very fast, and that's what we are looking for. So we want to, let's say, develop from a pure product supplier to a system provider, as you can see here on the table, not only providing the pure cable, so we want to offer our customers plug-and-play solutions to make also their life easier in the future.
Let's go to the last question. Okay, what plans and measures are in places for the localization management?
Yeah, so of course we have a local management here in China and all other Asian countries as well. So we're very happy that we have such a profound team here in Asia and in China. And of course we have our corporate values. They are worldwide, but we're very happy to really have that great team here, and together with our local suppliers, I think we can really localize a lot of products here to really be a beneficial partner for our customers. We also have a lot in common, so I think both countries are very innovative, and I think have a very good collaboration. I think that's a very good basis, besides all cultural differences, to have a very common ground to build on. The Helukabel is very famous for its high quality products that we manufacture, but we are also very good in the logistics. So we built here a new logistic hub for China, but also for the surrounding countries. So that means we are not able to provide you with a good quality product, so you also get it very fast in the length you need.
Because everything here is focusing on efficiency.
That's true, and as you saw, it's also a highly automated warehouse. So I think that also makes us faster, and we can also try our products in real life. When they're moving all the time.
Yeah, that's great. and we are looking forward to you guys to booming in the next few years.
Yeah,
That's so great.
we keep our fingers crossed.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Okay, thank you for your time.